Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have, I think, a relatively new model of Squire combination padlock, and this is the Mystic BF60, and this is apparently a 5 out of 10 security rating from Squire, and it does operate in a slightly unusual, slightly odd way. So you dial your code in, it's set to all 0, like that. You press the button, and it doesn't open the shackle because you've got to press this middle section here. Ready? Odd, but that is what you do. Now, to set the code, you have to undo this little screw here until this can be depressed, this button can be depressed fully, like that. That then allows you to scramble the dials, and well, let's do that, and we'll set a code I don't know. So push it in all the way, and then set the code like this, away from the camera so I can't see. And what we need to do is just make sure that these are in a position like that, and just trying to feel that these are not halfway between a number or anything like that. That feels like it's in a number, like look, that clicked. That, just check that's fine. That's in a number. That's in a number. Let go. Close this up, and then we can scramble. I think. Oh, this hasn't released. Why haven't you released? Maybe we haven't got everything in a number yet. So I'll push that in. Maybe it's like a safety thing. That's better. Right, now we can scramble it. So maybe that's a safety thing. I can't see the other side, so I don't know, but it could be that if it isn't fully, all the numbers are properly aligned, one of the numbers is slightly out, it won't release. So now we can scramble this up. So I don't know what the numbers are. I'll try and do each wheel separately so they're not in the sequence. And then I don't know what the number is. Then we can screw this down a bit, and you should screw it down until it's tight enough, and then we've got to try to decode it. So yeah, that feels okay. So it still can be depressed. The way I've found to do this, let's remove the box, is I've got a screwdriver here to help me because it's really hard on the fingers. It's to really press hard on this button, find a wheel which is binding heavily, and change it to a number. It should have a relatively wide movement, but that's not always guaranteed. Depends on how many numbers are in a true or false gate. The more true gates you have, the more movement you should have. But if you are in a true gate, you should feel that one of these dials should feel more bound. So, well, let's just do it. So press hard. That feels really solid. That's got movement. That's got movement. That's got movement. So let's change this one to a different number. No. We might need to revise this. See how there's not much movement? Might need to revise each one of these numbers. See, that's giving me some movement. So we'll take that for now and see which is binding more heavily. And you can see that this one is now. So let's try this one. No. Oh, see, there's a lot of movement there, but let's go back to this one. Still a lot, still a lot. Not a guarantee, by the way, that those are correct, but let's see. Yeah, this feels more bound now. No. No. Maybe. And that's bound heavily. No. That's got some good movement. This one doesn't feel as good now. This one feels fine. This one, I'm not sure. We'll press it anyway. It's not right. So I would say it's probably this one here that isn't quite right. So move that one a number. No. 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 Maybe 5. We'll come back to it. No. No. Ooh, could be 2. That one feels fine, that feels fine, that one feels fine. Not convinced with the first one now, so we'll move this one a bit more. No. 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 Yes. We've got it. There we go. Open. And the number was 6228. So yeah, the method works really well. You try to find which wheel is bound. You move it into a position where you have a good amount of movement, and you test to see whether that means that any of these other wheels are binding more. You pick the one which is bound the heaviest, and you do the same thing. You find a position where you have a lot of movement, which usually signifies a true gate. And then you try to find the next wheel. When it doesn't open, then you're next looking for, okay, so out of those four, which one of these wheels is not quite moving as freely? Which one has that small amount of drag still left on there, doesn't move? Because these numbers should move quite significantly around the true gates like this. And you'll find that some of them just don't. So we just modified this one and then this one. We got the open. So yeah, that's how to decode this Squire Mystic BF60. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave me a like, help subscribe. That's a great time to do some more content like this. You can even smash that notification bell to be next notified when I upload content. If you have any comments, leave them below. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.